Hey guys and girls, Sneak back here. This is going to be an update video to the batocera on VirtualBox. I'm going to re-go over it and install it and hopefully give it a little bit of more information about certain stuff, because I've had a few comments with a few people having certain problems. So hopefully this video can help you out a little bit more. And also, hopefully my mic's a lot clearer on this one, because my last video, my volume was dead low on everything. So, let's go right into the video. I've already downloaded my programs that I need. Yeah, I've already got my desktop ready. But what you'll need to do is go to batocera's website, which I'll leave all the links in the description below, so for you to find and download everything. So when you're on here, you just click on get batocera.linuxverti, just click that, take you to this page, and you have this big red box with x64 in. Standard desktop laptop, we'll just click that, and as you can see, it starts downloading. Next you're going to need Winrar, if you already don't have it. So we'll just come to the Winrar website, we'll click on download Winrar, and then at the bottom here, just click on download Winrar again. As you can see, it's popped up there to download. And last but not least, we need VirtualBox. So when we're on the VirtualBox website, we'll just click on downloads, and the one we need is Windows host, so we'll click on that. As you can see, it is all downloading. But however, because I've already got it on my desktop here, I've already downloaded them all. So the first thing we're going to need to do is install Winrar, so we'll just double click it. It will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes, and we'll just click install and click OK, and just click done. This will pop up, we'll just close it. So now we can delete the Winrar installer. Now we need to install the VirtualBox, so we'll just double click that. And then this will pop up, we'll just click next. Just click next again, next, yes, install. And it'll pop up again, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We'll just click yes. Depending on how fast your PC is, this could be faster or slower. It does take roughly about a minute for me. Well, I wouldn't say a minute, about 30 seconds. As you can see, it's already done. Yes, I did stumble over my words, I do apologise. So what we're going to do here is untick start, and then click finish, and we can delete that installer. And now we should have a file like this, and it should have img.exe. What we want to do here, we want to right click on it and click on extract here, and now it's extracting the file out the folder. This is why we needed Winrar. Again, this could take a minute or two depending on how fast your PC is. Just give it a little bit of time. It shouldn't take that long, to be honest. I'm just hoping this video helps you out a lot more than my last video. Like I said, all the links I'm using, everything will be in the description down below. I will also leave my Discord in the description as well, where if you have any problems, you'll be able to contact me through my Discord. And we're on 99%, so hopefully this should be done in a few more seconds. And I'm hoping my mic sounds a lot clearer than my last one. There we are, that's now extracted to this folder here. So you just want it where it says img. So we can delete this one that has the .gz at the end. Now what we need to do, we need to put this into our C drive. So what I like to do is right click, click on cut, just open a folder, any folder will do. I'm just click on my mess about folder. On the left hand side we'll click this PC. As you can see, Windows C. I'm just going to drop it in there. I already have another one already in there, but that's fine. I'll just drop this one in, continue, and I'll delete my old one. This is my new one. So I'm going to move this over here so you can see. So what we need to do now, in your search bar at the bottom, type CMD, and we need to open it with Run Administrator. It will, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. Here we are. So what we need to do now is add a few commands in. So what we need to do is copy this command in. Copied it, so it's just Control and V to copy. Boom. We got an error. If you get this error, it just basically is we need to change where this batocera-2986. We need to copy this into here. So what we do is right click on there, rename, just copy all. So copy, and then where it says IMG at the end, we're just going to change to where it says batocera at the beginning, and Control V. So this here needs to correspond to this. Make sure it's got the right, like 86-64-30. If it's different, just change it so it's right. I've had so many people comment and messaging me about this error. So yeah, it's just one of them. Just make sure that's the same. So what we're going to do now is just copy it again. So highlight it all, copy, go back in here. Just move this down a little, go back in here, and then press Control V again. Boom. Now it's changing it over. So we've changed it. Now we've got this little batocera.vdi, which is the virtual disk image. Now what we want to do is copy this command. We're just going to Control and V again in the command prompt. So this basically opens up the VirtualBox in the command prompt. So we've got one more command here. So what we're going to do is again just copy, and then we're just going to Control and V. Where it says this 20,000, this is how big you want your hard drive, or how big you want the virtual disk drive, whatever you want to call it. This is set to 20 gig. So if you wanted to like 40 gig, you'll just change the 2 to a 4, and so on and so on. This is in megabytes, so again, if you're changing it, just remember that. I just like to keep a standard 20 gig because I don't really play a lot of big games on it. But if you are thinking about playing PS1 games or PS2, ideally you want to resize the hard drive to a bigger size. So I'm just going to leave mine at 20 gig for now because it's easier. So after you've done that and you've resized it to whatever size you like, you just hit enter. This shouldn't take too long. Has it even worked? I don't know what I've done there. I might have left that up, just give us a second. What I can do again, I can just copy the line in. Yeah, no, I haven't left that up, that's my fault. What I'll do, I'll just delete that command, and then redo it again, and then press enter. So and then you get this. If you've done it correct, you will get this. So that's everything we need to do in here. So what you can do now is just close everything down. Again, them commands will be in the description down below. What we want to do now is open the virtual box. Do you want to allow this app to change your device? Just click yes. I'll just minimize that because we don't need it for now. Wait for VirtualBox to open up. What we need to do now, we need to click on new. You can name it whatever you like. I'm just going to call it BAT for short. I'm going to change my Windows to where it says version Windows here. I'm going to change it to Windows 10 64-bit. Just click next. This is your megabyte memory size. I have 16 gig altogether, as you can see here, so I am just going to allocate 4 gigabit, which is 4096. So that's allocating 4 gig of my memory. So I'm going to click next. Here you want to click on use an existing virtual hard drive disk file, and so it says empty. We're going to click on this little file with the green arrow. We are going to click add. Left hand side, get down to this PC. On Windows C, we're going to double click it, and as you can see, this is the file we created. So I'm just going to click on that. Yes, I know it's only showing this here, but when it opens up in VirtualBox, it will open up to 20 gig. So as you can see, virtual size 20 gig, actually actual size. So we are going through virtual size. So we'll highlight it and click choose. Then we'll click create. So this will bring all this up now. You can see 20 gig there, 19.53. So from here, you want to click on settings. It's been a while, so you're gonna have to bear with me. So we are going to want processors first. We can come to motherboard, processors. We're going to allocate 2 processors. Enable PAE and X. Enable this one as well. That's all fine. We are going to click on network. Display. I like to have mine on 128 megabyte. We can enable 3D acceleration. Storage we don't need to mess about with. Audio we don't need to mess about with. Network. What we want to do here is click on this drop down menu and click bridged adapter. Yours might say something else here. Don't worry about it. What we want to do is click on this. I can never pronounce this. Premius or Premius, whatever mode. We want to drop down menu and allow VMS. So everything else is fine. We'll just click OK. We'll bring back to this, and if we've done it correct, press start. It should boot batocera up. So fingers crossed. Start the machine. Has it found everything we need? Yes, it is now extracting everything properly for us. I'll just give it a minute or two, or a couple of seconds hopefully, and it should load in properly. There we are. There we are, then that's batocera on VirtualBox. I will go through a little bit more to answer a few questions as well. I know a lot of people are having trouble installing it on AMD hardware. As you can see, DT has left a comment in my original video that how he's fixed it. So if you're watching this, DT, if you would like to make a video showing people how they can do it, that would be much appreciated, and I'll be able to link people from this video to your videos as well. So as you can see, some information here if you do get stuck. What else? Bluetooth controllers. I don't know anything about if it works with Bluetooth or not. Obviously the reason is I do not own a Bluetooth controller, otherwise I would try it and hopefully, you know, tell you yes or no, but because I don't have a Bluetooth controller, I can't say. I do have a Rock Candy controller in, so how I normally get my controller connected, if I click on devices, click on USB, I think it is, and then click on my Rock Candy controller, and then if I press a button, any button on my controller, it'll bring my configure input up. So it tells me to hold a button on your device to configure it. So as you can see, I'm holding it and it'll bring this up. So quickly just do this: up, down, left, right, start, select, A, B, X, Y, left analog up, left analog left, right analog up, right analog left, L1, R1, L2, R2, L3, R3, and my hotkey, I just normally press my Xbox button in the middle and click OK, and as you can see, we've got this. So what I'll do now is show you how to put ROMs on, I guess. So basically what I do, you can use your controller if you want to. I find sometimes it's easy with keyboard and mouse when I'm doing this. Just bear with me, I'm trying to move all my stuff away so I don't knock off my desk. So what I do here, I just press enter on my keyboard, not enter, spacebar, sorry, my bad, it's spacebar, not enter. Go down to network settings, and it'll give you this IP address 192.168.1.251. Yours might be different on the IP, but we really won't worry about it. So what you need to do is just open a file, any file on your PC anywhere or laptop. Right, then you want to put in, might be //192.168.1.251, and it's brought up the share file here. So if you just double click that, this is where you'll find a ROMs folder, and this is where you put all your ROMs in. Give us a second, I do have some ROMs somewhere. Oh, do apologise. Right, I have ROMs here. So basically what you do, you just find, say if you've got SNES games, you'll find a folder that corresponds to SNES. There's NES, keep going, it says SNES, and as you can see, all you do then is just copy, drag and drop, or you can copy and paste some games. So just copy, paste. I'm just going to do it for a few of them, I guess. Just a few random ones. Let's go back out. Let's go to Sega, I think it is. Oh, it's the Sega one called top of my head. Just be Master System, won't it? Sega CD, SNES, PS2, PS3, PSP. You can, yeah, if you got a decent graphics card, then you can be able to play a lot of the PS2 and PS3 games and PS1 games. Mega Drive. I'd have to see Mega Drive there, so I'm just going to drop a few Mega Drive games in. One of my favourite games of all time is Alex the Kid in Miracle World. Where is he? I don't know, I've got it somewhere. It's the only problem when you get too many games. I can't find it. Oh well. Oh no, that's why. Alex the Kid in Miracle was not Sega Mega Drive, it was Sega Master System. But on my one, the Mega Drives, I'll throw a couple of Sonics in. So we got Sonic. Just copy and paste again. Copy and paste again. And then if we go back out, we'll click on the Master System one. Copy some Master System games over. Alex Kid in Miracle World. If you never played it, you should. It's a really brilliant game. It's one of my first games I ever owned. When I was a lot younger, my mum got me a Sega Master System, and I was never off it. I was literally glued to it all the time. I don't remember what happened to it, to the Sega Master System, but yeah, it's one of the best systems I ever owned. Oh, I made a shortcut there, so I'm just going to delete the shortcut. So what we can do now is just close these down. Just close these. Click on back on batocera. Click escape. Now what you want to do here is click on game settings. Nope, sorry, my bad. I forget which one it is. Oh, scrape, my bad, I totally forgot. Because I haven't done this for ages, totally forgot. That's great. This is where you can scrape all your artwork, so you can click scrape now. You've got your updates and downloads. So yeah, so it's just a matter of messing around with it, get everything how you like it. There we are, that's what I'm looking for. So it was in game settings, my bad. Is click on game settings. When you add ROMs, you gotta do this. Cause again, when you add ROMs, come back here, click on game settings and update games list, and click yes. So now, as you can see, it's updated the games that I've put in. There we are. That's giving me a quote. Aladdin, Sega Mega Drive. You got Sonic Spinball and that. So I know you can't see any pictures at the moment. You press escape, go back to the beginning, press spacebar, click on scrape. You can click scrape from. That's what you want to keep. Image source, screenshot, title shot, box 2D, box 3D, fan art. I just like standard box 2D. Box source none. Just keep everything the same. You can have video clips playing if you want. You can scrape some of them. Scrape box backside, yeah, why not? Scrape manual, why not? It's entirely up to you how you want yours set up. And again, you got logo source, you got wheel, marquee, none. I keep mine on wheel, it's easier. And what I do is click scrape now. Only missing media, all systems start. Why we errored out? Okay, I don't know why we've errored out. That's weird. Let's try that again. So, all games. I honestly don't know why we've errored out. Network settings maybe? We're connected. I'm not too sure. Let's click on update and downloads. Let's click on start update. No updates available. So I've never had this problem. So yep. You seen this problem live with me, to be honest, or live video you watching me record it. I've never had it. It's weird. I'll tell you what, I'll take that off. I'll just leave these, see if this works. No, I don't know. I've never had that. That's weird. Box source. Maybe is that it? Edit the login verify list. I don't understand that. I can't read that. That is weird. Right, and we can change it to other places where we can scrape from. So let's see if any of these work. No. Let me just go back. Scrape. Oh, there we are. Now it's scraping. The game SDB is the one that's found the scrapes. So again, you've just seen that live that I didn't know. We just messed about a little bit. We fixed it. So it says finish scraping, update game list again. So just do that, and there we are. We have the box art. So yeah, that's good to know. So again, if you press spacebar and you're gonna scrape for artwork. So if we scrape, we gotta go to the game SDB. You can use fan art, title shots, screenshots, fan art. Wheel none. So I wonder why the this is not working. I'd have to look into this. I'm gonna get this one working. I will make another video, because this has like script videos on there, and I quite like the videos. So yeah, that's I have to find out why that's not working. But for the time being, we've got this the game. Oh, excuse me. The game SDB fan art. I'm just going to scrape again, see if there's any differences. We'll go back, game settings, update game list. Yep. Also, if I remember right, you can download themes. So press spacebar again, and we go to update downloads. We can click on themes, and we can change different themes. So I'm just going to try and find the one I like the look of. Again, it's just a matter of messing around with stuff to see if it works or not. Let's try this one. Install. It's retrieving data download at the top. So yeah, it's simple. Again, if you break anything, just restart what you did. Honestly, just it only takes a couple of minutes when you know what you're doing. Again, I'd have more information on my Discord, which I'll leave a link in the description. I do stream on Twitch as well, under the same name, xsneakx20035. So yeah, please come and watch me die in a lot of games, I guess, because I'm not very good at a lot of games. If you like the video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, all that good stuff. And as you can see now, the theme is downloading, but it's going to take a little bit of a while because it's just over 3 gig by the looks of that. But yeah, again, just mess around with it, mess around. And also, if you'd like me to do a live stream on batocera on my Twitch, please comment down below. I'll get something arranged. Yeah, and then I'll most likely just send a message out on my Discord saying I'm going live with the project I'm working on. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully this has helped you out a lot more in my last video. So have a great day, great night, wherever you're from. Bye for now.